Hey guys, we received this AM gutter guard for test and try. Premium heavy duty aluminum leaf and debris protection with the nice quality. It's 5 inches, 200 feet or 31 feet uh, gutter guards. As you can see it here, it's nice stainless steel and the metal one with the perfect holes at a equal distance. So this helps only to water to go from it, and all this debris and leaves will stuck on it, so it's easy to clean your gutter guard and it will not stuck your gutters while in the fall or any other such season. So this is the instruction manual that comes, so how to cut for the angle and easy to cut as well, and also how to install. So you require this screws, and the screws also sold by AM gutters in our another video we showed. So say for example this is our gutter thing, and right now these are open with the hooks, and we can use this to clean up. Means like only the water will go through that and pass through the gutters, whereas the gutter guards will not do that. So here these are the gutters, and so this is like the gutter guard in my hand, and need to see like how to this fit this and install that from the corners. And you have to measure this if it's a 5 inches or 6 inches. Mines are 5 inches, and this is how you can put and then put the screws. So once fully installed, I will add in this video later on. So we add in the supplied screws with the AM gutter guards, and you can see like the setting, it fits really well. I'm just putting more screws in here, but I'm just showing you first beforehand. So this, like from the roof, it comes in the top and the water can easily pass through, but there will be no leaf and things, so the gutter will not choke. And then they are the nice gutter with the nice water flow through these ones. So here you can see the overall looks and the feel with the nice water things here. So they're nice overall, nice gutter guards with a nice stainless steel thing and nice design to hold the water and the leaves on the top, and then water to pass through for the easy drainage.